Alright.
1, 2,
3. Don't go too far right. It's crinkling. Alex has ball.
Holy.
Why, the car?
No, car comes, we have to stay now. No, like, you don't understand. If these explode and no one's here, like, that's gonna look horrible.
Kids, what are you doing? Officer, just wait 1 second.
Officer, please.
Oh my god!
There's one. There's one. I'm going near that guy. The other one's spraying.
For those people down there, probably like, oh shit.
What a bad idea to try it.
I know.
This is a horrible idea. Where are the other two?
I hear it.
The other one is a tough game, though. I could have not go faster.
I'm watching through the safety of a windshield.
My windshield. My windshield. Okay, I'm about bored with this. Let me get the other two. Oh, it's going. You see the flames? I see it. That's happening to the other one. Alright, oh my gosh. It's just exploding. It is green. It's coming out green. You can see it on the video.
Oh my god. Johnny.
Johnny's so safe. Johnny's over there. You can't even see him. It's not even a fire. Huh? It's not even a fire. The pop's in the fire.
That's... You don't hear it, though?
Where's the other two at?
There's one right there. Bro, that's going to explode.
Oh my god. That's a long throw, just to let you know. Oh my god. Johnny, you gotta go over there and kick it now. You're that guy.
No, don't kick it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Johnny had balls.
Johnny's got balls. That spray is gonna explode bad. Back up. I'm moving over again.
Eyes on the prize. Bro, we're like 3 minutes 40 seconds in.
Where'd I put that last one at? Johnny, it doesn't matter.
Could it be in the bed?
Oh, please just explode sometime.
I know, right? Johnny's got time to be home.
I got 10 minutes.
Well, we have to stay here till it explodes.
Or we can just put the fire out.
Yeah, but who's gonna want to go that far to kick it?
I will.
I won't.
Those are my just spraying.
That's about to go kaput. I thought 5 minutes in.
There's gonna be like a freaking wolf next to the fire. This is such a long video. The other one took so
At least the first one went fast.
But then, that was the can that I'm looking for. It's a short one. I don't know where I put it.
Use the light in the truck to find it. No, use your light. Turn the light on.
Dang it. Ooh, right.
Too close.
No way.
Oh, spray.
No, Johnny. Dang it, Johnny. Johnny, what the? I'm tired, bro, of this nonsense of it not going. Turn that light off.
No way to turn them. Dang it, I keep doing that.
This is nonsense.
Did Sharon take your key?
No.
You just don't have a ring?
Which one?
This key right here. That you're using.
Oh, my other one, I just lost it. Dude, I'm getting so tired of recording this. Johnny, that was the worst idea that you ever had, just right there. What'd I do? Throw that other can in there, now we have to wait for that whole one to run out. No, because the other ones are done. The other ones, they're all gone.
This one's the one that explodes.
Yeah, that's what I did. It's the one that exploded usually.
Those two big cans that we threw in.
Oh, yeah, I think they both exploded at once.
Uh-oh. When we hear the that's when we know. Bro, Alex, your phone and my phone looks like a car's headlights coming from that way. In probably 10 minutes of video, we'll have 2 explosions. But that's alright.
Darn.
I'll put it on my computer, edit it.
Dang it. Right. I might as well record this too while we're at it. I'm about to pause this video.
Knowing you're lucky, pause it and
Oh, yeah?
Oosh.
You want to bet? Pause. Boom. What you know about me? Oh, this is such a dark road. Dang it. Wasn't hot enough. I'm sorry, someone's going to have to run over the fire.
Not me.
Run over it? Why, I'm going to go kick it. I was going to... I think that running over it would be the best idea. It'll die out in a minute. That is true. You know, we just... Whoa, whoa. Johnny, it flew over my head. It's over there and it's blowing hairspray. It was like a flying football and I had to dodge it. Let me play this.